Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you the new update on Facebook, especially for business owner. I'm going to be showing you how you can pay for your Facebook advert, Instagram advert without using your ATM card. Oh, you are very shocked. I'm going to show you. So let me go to my Facebook page and I will show you the latest update on Facebook, which they just put this October ending. So you go to your Facebook page before you can see this feature. I'm going to my Facebook page direct, and this is my Facebook page. So I'm using laptop phone to record this video because most people use phone. So now this is my Facebook page. Let's say that I want to run advert on my Facebook page. Currently I'm running an advert, but let me just use this one as an example. Let's say I want to run advert with this one now. So I'm going to click on boost post. I want to show you the new updates that I just put on Facebook ad. So this is what you will see. This is what you see when you click on boost. This is where you land, and the moment you land in this section, the first thing you are going to set is your goal, which is to set your audience, people you are going to target, and the interest. So I've already set it down, so that is why I click on automatic. So I will just go down. You select your messaging app. Once you select automatic, the automatic I set is for me to get message on Facebook and Instagram. So if you have not set it, just select get message and it will show here. You can see, just mark it. If it's not showing blue mark, you just mark it. Then this is the welcome message. You can edit it too. But the thing that is very important, I'm going to show you here, is down here is your payment. Is your payment method. I believe many of us we know how to run Facebook ad, so I want to show us about the payment method today. But likewise, you can see in this place you can set your audience. So this is where you can set your audience. You can see I have many audience, whereas you can still create new. Click on create new to create new audience. So I have Lagos. So let's say I want to use Lagos audience for this advert. I will just click on it, and you can see how I've set it down. I've set the location I'm targeting, and I've set the people that should the interest and the age for my business. So I will just come here. I want to run this advert for 1 day, so not 7 days. So 1 day. You just reduce this one. You can put like just put like maybe 1000. So far it's showing the blue mark. That's to tell you that it will go. Though I have money in my wallet, I have about 500 naira. That's why it's showing blue. So your own may charge for you, like they may charge you like 1600. So how do you add money here? That's the new update I'm going to show us today that they just put on Facebook. The new update is that once you click on payment method, you are going to click on this arrow. Once you click on this arrow, now you can see 3 different payment methods. Now the first payment method is for those people that have dollar card. They just put virtual and MasterCard there. Definitely it will not work for most Nigeria bank card. It will not work. And if you are outside Nigeria, the card may not work for you. But if you are in US, in those places, the card will work. So for those of us that are in Nigeria, we are going to be using PayU, and the second method, which is the update, pay by USSD. So the USSD means you can pay by bank transfer, or you can pay by dialing the USSD code on your phone. So once you click on this, let's say I want to pay 800, although I'm not making payments, I'm just showing this one as an example. So you are going to click on this place. I used it yesterday and everything worked perfectly. So you're going to click on this place, the USSD, and click on next. Then they will ask you to input your phone number, and make sure you put the phone number that is connected to your phone. Don't put number that is not connected to your bank. So let me add like 2000. I think the money is too small. Let me add like 15. So let's see. So I don't know what is wrong. Maybe it's because of my phone, or you can try it on your own hand. I used it on laptop yesterday and it's working perfect. So this is how you add it, and you can also use the PayU to add payment. Maybe they are doing some updates presently. That's why it's not working now. But that is how it works. So let's say you want to use it on Instagram. How do you do it? You also come to your Instagram. It's all the same method. You come to your Instagram and click on boost post so that you can see it. So let me switch to my account. This is one of my customer accounts. Let me switch to my own personal account. So now this is my account. What happened? Dismiss. So this is my account. I will go to my profile. Now let's say that I want to boost. I want to boost now. So let me say I want to boost this one. Where am I going to boost? This one, for instance, I'll click on boost. Boost without music. So I believe we know how to set up Instagram ad and Facebook ad. So if you are having any issue in setting up Instagram and Facebook ad, there are 2 videos on my Facebook channel that will show you how to set up your ad account on Instagram step by step, and also how you can set up your Facebook from the beginning to the end. So I'm going to click on message you for them to message me, and I want them to message me on WhatsApp. So I'm going to click next. Then I'll click next. So I'm going to set my audience, though I've already set my audience down here. So if you don't have audience, you can click on create your own and you are going to set it up. So I'll click on any of this. Let me use this one. Then I'll click next. So this is where I'm going. This is where you can set your budget. Now Facebook will charge me 3,334 naira per day. I will now set my duration. I want it for 1 day. So let me increase the budget. I think they said the budget is too small. Let me increase it a little bit to like 5,000 for day. Then I will click on next. So this is where you are going to add your payment. You are going to click on add fund to add your payment, and we are going to see the same thing that we see in the other Facebook account. So the both updates is on the same app. So the same thing also if you are running WhatsApp app. So this is it. You click on it, then you click on next to add your payment. So let me see if this one is working. I think maybe they are updating Facebook. That's why it's not showing the other time. So if after loading, make sure that you connect the account that you use. So we can see now that is loading. You can see now that is loading. That is loading. They have loaded you to your Facebook where you can now make the payment. So you just wait for it to load and you make the payment. So if you don't have bank card, so just select bank. So which bank do you want to use? Let me say, these are Nigeria bank. So you can even use OPay. You can search for OPay if they have it. I'm not sure there's OPay here. Access Bank is here, GT Bank is here, FCMB is here, Access Bank. Then you put your phone number, the phone number that is connected to your account. You put it here. Then click on continue. The moment you click on continue, they are going to give you the code that you are going to press on your phone. Then you make the payment immediately. So this is how to make payment with your USSD or bank transfer. On the laptop, they allow you to make bank transfer, whereas on phone you can just use USSD. So if you have any question, let me know and I will respond to it. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. Also share with your loved one that have business online, that want to learn how to manage business, how to run Facebook and Instagram ad. I will be happy to hear from you. If you have any question, make sure you drop in the comment section. Thank you.